I am Nihal, Vidyanketan School UKG. Today I am going to tell a story. This book belongs to Pepper. Stray away. Wow! When will our plane come? Soon, Pepper. Hold the glass with both hands. Wow! Faking. Glow boots. Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Oi, oi, oi. Hello, young man. Where's Mama? Are there? Where is Papa? Go get to his side. Are you traveling alone? Wow, I want Mama. Your kind attention, please. Pepper, my little baby, always stay close to me. Thank you, friends.